Disney Pixar. Up. Carl Fredricksen is a lonely old man. Carl has always wanted to travel to South America, like his childhood hero, explorer Charles Muntz. But the years went past and he never made it there. Now Carl decides that it's finally time for an adventure. He ties helium balloons to his house and takes off. Then Carl finds a stowaway, a helpful junior wilderness explorer named Russell. Russell steers the house through a big storm, all the way to South America. The house lands near the spot where Carl wants to live. Carl and Russell pull the house closer like a big parade balloon. Along the way, Carl and Russell meet a friendly dog named Doug. Together they make another new friend, a big strange mama bird. Russell names her Kevin. Then Doug's packmates, Alpha, Beta, and Gamma, show up. They aren't friendly like Doug. The dogs take Carl and Russell to their mysterious master, who turns out to be Carl's old hero, Charles Muntz. Muntz has changed, and not for the better. He wants Kevin for his animal collection, and he would do anything to anyone to capture her. Carl always wanted an adventure in South America, and now he's found one, saving Kevin. With help from Russell and Doug, Carl foils Muntz and brings Kevin back to her baby birds. Carl has lost a hero in Charles Muntz and, surprise, discovered one in himself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney stories, check out my Disney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. And also, check out the Super Thanks tab on my non-read aloud videos if you'd like to support the channel. Thank you so much for all your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.